You're ready for the next workshop. This is workshop 5, where you will learn about writing a thesis. But what is a thesis? A thesis is the last sentence of the introduction paragraph. An introduction paragraph is the first paragraph of your essay. We've already started to learn how to write this. It starts with your hook and then your 3 background sentences. Now, a thesis always answers the essay question and gives reasons to support the answer. To write a thesis, all you need to do is answer the essay question in a full sentence and add some reasons. If you are writing a 5-paragraph essay with 3 body paragraphs, then you will have 3 reasons, or 3 main ideas in the thesis. Let's take a look. Here is an example. If the essay question is, "Who is your favorite hero?" I will start by writing my answer. My hero is Superman. Perfect job. But we need to list reasons why Superman is our hero. The first reason could be he can fly. The second reason could be he can shoot lasers from his eyes. And the third reason could be he saves people. As you can see above, we have an answer for the question and 3 reasons. Therefore, I can answer the question like this, and this becomes my thesis sentence. My hero is Superman because he can fly, he can shoot lasers from his eyes, and he saves people. Remember, a thesis should be 1 sentence, not more. Now that you know what a thesis is and how to write it, let's practice. Remember, when you write a thesis, you are going to answer the essay question and give 3 reasons in 1 complete sentence. All right, now let's practice. Okay, are you ready to practice? Let's start with practice number 1. Read the essay questions below. Use the given words to complete the thesis. Question 1. Would you like to own a pet dragon? Your words for the answer are not, fire, and eat. This is the thesis. I would blank like to have a pet dragon because they blank people, they will set your house on blank, and they are mean. Your thesis should look like this. I would not like to have a pet dragon because they eat people, they will set your house on fire, and they are mean. Question number 2. What is your favorite ice cream flavor and why? Your words for the answers are flavor, breath, and love. The thesis is, my favorite ice cream blank is mint chocolate because I blank chocolate and it gives me minty blank. Your thesis should say, my favorite ice cream flavor is mint chocolate because I love chocolate and it gives me minty breath. Now it's time for practice 2. For each essay question, an answer and 3 reasons are given to you. Combine them into 1 sentence using the word because and words from your question to write the thesis. Question 1. Would you like to own a pet pig? Your answer is yes, and your reasons are they are cute, they are smart, and they can play. Your thesis sentence should look like this. I would like to own a pet pig because they are cute, they are smart, and they can play. Question 2. What is the best food to eat for breakfast? Your answer is toast, and your reason 1 is it tastes good. Reason 2 is it's easy to make, and reason 3 is you can eat it with your hands. Your thesis sentence should sound something like this. Toast is the best food to eat for breakfast because it tastes good, it's easy to make, and you can eat it with your hands. Now it's time for practice 3. Use the template to help you write a thesis sentence for the following essay question. Question. Do you think winter or summer is better? Do you remember this essay question from our other workshops? Here's an example of how to do it. Your answer could be, I like winter better than summer. Reason 1 is there are no bugs. Reason 2 is I can snowboard. And reason 3 is Christmas. My thesis sounds like this. I like winter better than summer because there are no bugs, you can snowboard, and there is Christmas. Now it's your turn. Answer the question, do you think winter or summer is better? Then list 3 reasons why. Put your answer and reasons together to make your thesis sentence. Well done, and now it's time to write the essay's introduction. Use your hook from Workshop 2 and your background sentences from Workshop 4 to begin writing an introduction for the following essay question. Finally, write your thesis from this workshop to finish it off. Our question has stayed the same this whole time. The question still is, do you think winter or summer is better? Now, from the example in Workshop 2, my hook is, imagine it was winter all year long. One of the examples was, winter is the season after fall and includes colder months like December, January, and February. Our 2 other example background sentences will be, summer is the season following spring and usually includes June, July, and August. Winter and summer have very different weather. Then, my thesis from this workshop is, I like winter better than summer because there are no bugs, you can snowboard, and there is Christmas. Congratulations! You have already written your introduction paragraph. But before we move on, let's check and make sure we did everything correctly. Ask yourself, did I use an indentation to start my paragraph? Did I copy my hook from Workshop 2? Did I copy my background from Workshop 4? Did I use words from the question in my thesis sentence? Did I make sure to write a full thesis with reasons? If you checked all of these, then well done. You have written your first introduction paragraph, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Great work practicing writing a thesis. Here are a few things to keep in mind on what a thesis is not. Now that you know how to write a proper thesis, make sure that you don't write one of these. Let's pretend the question is, who is your hero? Don't say, my hero is Superman. Now I will tell you why. Now, I will tell you why is not a thesis. You don't need to add anything after you've written your thesis. Remember, a thesis is just one sentence and nothing more. Number 2, my hero is Superman. He can fly and shoot lasers out of his eyes. Also, he saves people. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of words to say because it's more than one sentence. Let's not turn the answers and reasons into many sentences. Make sure it's one sentence only. Number 3, my hero is Superman. He can fly and shoot lasers out of his eyes. He always flies to save people when they are in danger. That is why he is my hero. Wow. Make sure you don't turn the answer and reasons into an explanation. Explanations should be in the body paragraphs that we will learn about later. So, when you write your thesis, answer the question, say the 3 reasons, but don't explain them. And make sure to always keep it to one sentence. Great job today. You now know how to write an entire introduction paragraph. Now let's put all the parts we've learned together. In the next section, you're going to write an entire introduction to your essay. In the introduction, you are going to write your answer to the essay question, do you think winter or summer is better? You will start by writing your hook that you have already written and the 3 background sentences that you've already written. Then you will add your thesis that you just wrote to answer the question. All of these sentences together make one introduction paragraph. But remember, you always start your paragraph with an indentation. I'll see you when we write the essay introduction. Well done. Great job! You've just written your first introduction essay paragraph. You are doing great, but it's time to move on. I'll see you in the next workshop.